Fortier Slim Storage Cart. Bathroom Organizer Slide-Out Rolling Storage Cart Racks with Wheels. Narrow shelf for kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, white, slim Fortier. Made of high-quality stainless steel and plastic. It is durable and rust-proof, can be installed quickly and easily, simple and generous design. Easy to clean. Space-saving 5. 1-inch width is suitable for narrow corners, such as kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, office. It can make better use of space and store odds and ends. With 4 wheels and 6 hooks, you can easily take things and put them back. The small things you need can be hung on the hook to facilitate storage. Easy to install, no tools required, quick and easy assembly, and can be completed into minutes. It can be installed according to the installation tutorial on the product page.